Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A02s mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap in the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and take out the board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, disconnect the top end on the main ribbon flex cable. Next, take out the non-talking battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, place a new battery with adhesive. Next, connect the main ribbon flex cable to the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by adding 8 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover, run through the sides to secure the clips. And also do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.